Hi guys.
Hi guys, welcome back. It's been quite some time that we've been interacting with you, and today we thought that we would come up with another important session. Adan, would you like to introduce?
Yes, we're going to talk about nutrition and how important it is to eat the right food even at this moment when it's very important to keep your immunity strong, and this food is not available all the time, so it's been hard. So let's figure out what we can do to keep our body strong and to eat the right food in order to improve our immunity. And who better to help us than
We
Gina
have,
from Reset. And
yes,
we'll be adding her soon, and you guys can also ask your questions regarding
I guess
nutrition.
she's here. Guys, she's someone who's been helping us in our diets, guiding us what's right to eat, what's not right to eat, and how we should understand our body, what our body requires at this point of time. And she'll be taking questions from you guys as well. So if you guys have any question related to nutrition, you guys please just write them down or just hold on. We are adding her.
Hi, Avriti.
Hi, Jinal. How are you? Are we visible? Are we in the frame?
Yeah, I can see you guys. You can see me, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
I can see you.
So
So, how is it going in this quarantine period?
It's going good, and I never thought that food can play such an important role in somebody's mood and the way they function. And that's what we want to talk to you about today. Because as you know, our schedules, we have been learning a lot online, and we've been trying to keep ourselves productive. And thanks to your help and Reset's help, we've been able to keep ourselves fit because that's the first thing, the first priority, right?
Exactly.
That's good.
We've been working out all the time through video calls. So we are also pushing our limits to keep ourselves fit and
Yeah, this
healthy.
is a new way of doing it. All this while we were always meeting face to face. We've although
Yeah.
met once, but after that we couldn't because of this lockdown thing.
Right.
So how are you? How have you been keeping up?
All good. So let's begin with what exactly and what is the importance of the nutrition.
Yeah.
So I'll explain you what, and the viewers, of course. Hello, everyone. Let's begin with what exactly the importance of nutrition is. Nutrition is important, start from the mother's womb till the tomb. So health is much more than the absence of any kind of ailment or disease that we have. The food we eat, the nutrients that we put inside our body are most important factors which influence the growth, development, functional abilities, and of course the good health that we need. How we
Right.
structure our lifestyles with correcting the sleep pattern, the emotional health, for you, Edlin, correcting the water habits, all these things, what when we do, and they lead us to a good quality of life. So when it comes to you guys, and when it comes to diet, when what is its importance in the beauty pageant or any kind of competition like beauty that you're going for? So what we do is at Reset, it is very well known fact that nutrition is very important in any phase of life or anyone who is choosing any kind of career or anything. So, of course, we at Reset have a very holistic approach. We have a inside out thing. So it will not only bring a glow to your skin, but also help you improve your cognitive skill, the brain health. You might have seen in the food plans that we've added foods to improve your brain health, everything, so that you can be in a better place to answer the queries of your tricky questions of your judges, the intellectual rounds that you have to go through, all those. I'm sure, of course, when you have to lead a healthy life, you have to first have a healthy mind.
That's
Yeah?
very true. Very true.
Uh,
So do you want us to get started with the questions?
yeah, please do.
Okay, so both of us have got a lot of questions from our viewers and followers. So we'll just go and check, and then let's go through them one by one.
And we've also written down our questions that
Yeah.
we wanted to ask you. Um,
Let's begin with your questions first, and then we can, as people are
Okay,
joining
we
in,
can
we
do
can
as a
go through the
question.
questions. Yeah?
okay, so the question
Maybe
is,
in the
Sorry.
Maybe in the questions that we talk about, their queries are solved.
Okay. What role does diet play in winning a beauty pageant?
Yeah, exactly. That's what I mentioned. Like when it comes to a food plan for you guys, it is more of a mind game as well as the glow that you want on your skin throughout the day. Always you have to look fresh, look good. So we have an inside out approach wherein we work on your skin as well as the intellectual cognitive development.
Right. And I feel it's important for everybody because we are having very hectic schedules. Everyone has
Absolutely.
in the stress
Yeah.
environment, so it's very important to focus on food and what you're putting in your body. What do you feel right now? What
Absolutely.
everyone is going through? How much food plays an important role, and what are the particular things we can do to ease the stress and to be more
So
positive, be
what
more.
So what I understand from your question is about your hectic schedule and everything that you have. You have to go through trainings and everything. So we have a very flexible and a customized food plan that we make it for you. We What we do is we plan the food plan in such a way wherein the ingredients are very easy to procure and are easy to carry. Maybe for now, since you are in the lockdown, you are not going out. But if you were going out, we would have provided you with the options which are easy to carry and procure accordingly. And of course, about your afternoon hunger pangs and you're not able to eat your meals, you might miss on the main meals. So we provide you with the quick energy boosting snacks, all those which will keep you going through after a hectic day. So definitely, if you're not able to follow any kind of a regime and exercise schedule due to your training, all those, you have 4-minute Tabata videos that Avinash is sharing with you guys.
Right.
Also, you have those, if you are placed in a hotel or a hotel, you can do a swim of, say, even a simple walk of 10-15 minutes post your
That
30 minutes
also
of meal.
helps.
Maybe breakfast, lunch, and dinner that counts to 45 minutes, and a walk of 45 minutes is quite
It's
good.
good. Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
There's this
Yeah,
So,
question
absolutely.
for you. There is this question for you which I don't think we
okay,
should
sure.
miss.
I actually, there's a really good question that someone is asking. That can you suggest food plan or a diet plan or the kind of food items that PCOD girls should stay away from, or the foods that they should include in their diet?
Absolutely. When it comes to a PCOS case, it is more to do with the lifestyle. It's more to do
Yes,
with the stress that maybe she's going through, or it is the lifestyle that is in her teenage that she's going through, peer pressure, all those things. So we need to definitely look into other blood parameters, and she can definitely DM us post this to get in touch with the
Yeah,
other
that would be
reports and
very
all.
helpful.
Because it is
That
very
would be really
customized to person.
right.
yes, yes.
One size does not fit all. That's true.
Absolutely. And the
Another
food choices
question,
also vary.
another question we have is, how long does it take to see tangible effects in our health?
So same as Edlin said, one size doesn't fit. So the same way, every human body and everybody is very different. From our past experiences, what we have worked with, say, clients and also the beauty pageants and supranationals, what we see is when we give them a particular kind of a food plan or anything like that, they follow it for a
We are here.
hello.
Yeah,
Yeah,
can
you're
you
there,
see us?
right? Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So we have a constant coaching and monitoring approach through which we monitor you on the personalized WhatsApp group, which gives a fair idea on the daily basis on how close are you to your health goals, which we take from you in the beginning itself. What we do is we definitely change the food plan in every 15 days. We also
Yeah.
have a series of detoxifications that we share with you. But compliance is something which is the most important thing. We can give you a bestest of food plan. We can give you best what we can do in the paper, but what you comply on will show you the tangible results.
Okay, I wanted to ask one thing. Since you were talking
Tell me.
about detoxification, and we have heard that green tea also helps in detoxification, but we've also heard
Absolutely.
that it helps in weight loss. So, is it a fact or is it a myth?
See, when it comes to a particular food or any kind of a thing like a green tea or anything, one thing I cannot tell that green tea is going to make you lose weight. Now, if you have a cup of green tea and the whole day you are out binge eating, doing this, eating wrong, and having 10 cups of green tea, or that's not the
Yeah,
right way. You have to work on it as a whole, like a
Lifestyle.
complete thing.
that's very true. That's very true.
Okay, so I have a
Mhm.
question, and a lot of us we're not able to sleep well at night because obviously the shift of lifestyle. So, what are the foods do you recommend that we could have that could kind of ease our system whenever we want to go back to bed?
See, what happens is one thing that I definitely told you also, digital detox.
Yes, I
Yeah.
think that
That is
So,
digital detox. What do you say?
you keep away your
yeah, so
phone.
what you do is at least 45 minutes before before you go to bed, you have to completely switch off any kind of especially the mobile phones with Instagram, Facebook, because once we start doing it, we don't know when we are ending it. So
That
definitely. And another thing, there are foods like nutmeg, there are certain deep breathing, left nostril breathing. All these will definitely help you sleep better.
Thank you for that. And what do you suggest? Does it also kind of have, is it because of the change of lifestyle? Is it because sometimes when you don't eat well, when you eat a lot, does that happen that you can't sleep? Is that also a possibility?
See, when you're eating a lot, it's a thing that when you're eating a lot, you will definitely sleep. I would say it is a lethargy rather than a sleep.
yes,
If
yes,
you're
yes.
having a good big meal, it's like you're sleeping out of laziness and not sleeping well. See, when you sleep at night, even a good sleep of 4 to 5 hours, and if it is sound and your day is good to go, and you're fresh enough throughout the day, that's a good sleep. And maybe due to some reasons you could not sleep well at night, you can catch up on the sleep in the daytime, say for half an hour nap or so, but not definitely after your meals.
Yeah. Um, Jinal, do you also have corporate clients, people who are working in corporate jobs?
Absolutely,
Perfect.
we do.
So when
So
their
when it comes,
from uh, different from the girls who are in beauty pageants, right?
Or into modeling.
absolutely. So what happens is when it comes to a corporate job, theirs is more of a desk job, and yours is
Yeah.
more of how you look at the aesthetic, what we call it. So when it comes to a corporate job, they might have different health issues, and their age group would also vary. But we have
Differ.
young
Yeah.
people who are there as a beauty thing. Definitely, you have a age group that we consider for any kind of a competition. So when we make a nutrition program, it's definitely taking into consideration their sleep pattern, their career choices, their health goals, their emotional health, and we have a very unique kind of a approach when it comes to any career choice or even the body composition. Maybe when it comes
Yes.
to a beauty pageant, they have to go very low on to achieve that kind of a aesthetic that they want. So the fat percentage could be much more less. And when it comes to the corporate people, they would not be like their aesthetic would be kept aside, and the blood parameters and all those would be
Would be,
considered
yeah.
first.
I've been seeing
Absolutely.
this question many times. A lot of people are asking you at the moment that what are the foods that kind of help you to keep a glowing skin? What are
Skin.
the superfoods for the skin, basically?
Hair as well. Hair as well.
I understand. So, a good question for you guys, and anyone who is young would definitely love this answer, what I give. So, when it comes to skin and hair health, it's the mirror of the internal health that one has. And the
Yeah.
internal health is the reflection of the healthy lifestyle that one follows. And this is just like a chain reaction. So, this chain reaction will reflect on your skin. We can give you the best applications that you apply on your for your hair, your skin. But what you have to be very careful, and utmost importance needs to be given to what you put inside your mouth,
Right.
right? You cannot just keep on eating all this fancy things or junk food and want a very glowing skin,
Doing
all those.
Unless you have really
That's
good
not
genetics,
possible.
which is very rare.
or metabolism.
Absolutely, absolutely. That's more important. Some people maybe, but definitely and that there would be a point in their life where they would have a small pimple or anything that would be there.
Yeah,
Uh,
that happens. That happens with the best of us. Pimple popping at the time when
absolutely.
we
Yeah.
need the best of our skin to show.
You
That time we'll see
you guys are
pimples.
not going to have this problem, I'm sure.
Yeah, I've never had a pimple till date. And I'm somebody who loves
Super.
What?
chocolate. Yes, I've never had a pimple till date,
Uh,
guys. But I'm somebody
Super.
who has a sweet tooth, and I love chocolates. I love chocolates. So,
Yeah, she's been eating mine also, Gina. You'd have to keep a strict.
Uh,
so what do you suggest for
so
sweet tooth people
yeah,
like?
so when it comes to sweet, yeah, so when it comes to your sweet cravings, definitely the foods like jaggery, your dark chocolates are good to go, but not binge eating on them. Definitely not
Okay.
eating avritis also. You can have a small piece of dark chocolate, that's good, but you can have some dates. These are natural jaggery, the organic jaggery, the stevia, all these.
Yeah.
You can make some kheer out of the coconut milk or the almond milk based sweets. You can add some jaggery. They have their natural sweetness. You can opt for some dates, some nuts added to it. Fruits are
Yeah.
good to go.
So since you've spoken
Yeah.
about natural sweetness,
Sweetness.
I want to ask you about sugar-free, sweeteners that we get. Are they good for the body? Are they not
No.
healthy? Is it a myth?
No, so what happens is on a long run, when anybody who is dependent on a sugar-free or a artificial sweetener, what we call, that's
Yes.
absolutely not good. In fact, it is carcinogenic. So in a long run, when somebody who is having, yeah, somebody who is having, it's better to have a natural sweetener. Maybe you
Sweetener.
can add few leaves of stevia that you get. Maybe you can add some organic jaggery. You get raw, unpasteurized honey. All these organic are good to go.
Oh, thank you. You gave this very important tip to us
That we didn't
because
really know because I've been
yeah,
using
the
sugar-free
sugar-free
since the
sweeteners.
pageant, and
Oh,
I've continued after that. So
So now we'll be
mm.
taking care of this and we'll try
So there's
to
a
use
no,
more.
no, just put them in the dustbin now.
Yeah.
And you can opt for jaggery and you can definitely opt for dates.
Yeah,
I
we've been
think that's a
Yeah.
having
better
these
choice. That's a healthier choice, I would
healthier
suppose.
choice.
Okay, so we move to
Yeah.
the next question for you. Um, okay, is there an exotic food plan required to be followed to achieve results, or can you work with normal food that you get in?
Yeah, coming to the exotic food and the normal food, we've been brought up eating the normal cabbage, and this lettuce has come in now. Okay, so what is it is we believe in something which is grown locally and seasonal and easy
Yeah.
to procure.
Right.
We don't want the food plan to be an added burden or a stress that you are not getting parsley. It's okay, you can opt for coriander also. That's absolutely fine. What we believe is more in balancing the macro and the micronutrients rather than opting for something which is an exotic plan, which is there on the paper and you have to follow it. That's not the
Right.
right way because we are dealing with human body and not just a machine. Yeah,
Yeah.
it is more to
Exactly.
do with the composition, the macro and the micronutrients, even a normal dal, rice, khichdi, uh, bhindi ka sabji is good to go. Yeah.
Okay, so since you're talking about the food plan, how do you schedule a cheat day in the food plan?
Say if there are 7 days in a week and you are following the like a good kind of a lifestyle, a healthy lifestyle for say 5 or 6 days, then I would call it like a reward day and
Treat
not a
day.
cheat day.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Treat day. Yeah,
Treat day. Treat
like a
day.
treat day. So you can eat guilt free since you've been following such a good healthy lifestyle. And that I have experienced that people who have come on our plan, when they are eating wrong, their inner self, not the guilt, I'm saying the inner self, the feeling of the good feeling that they have from the healthy food, they don't opt for anything like in a bulk or anything the same way that
Yeah.
they used to have. So
So um,
so remember the treat day and not the cheat day.
the treat day is for the whole day or just one meal?
Just one meal or the whole day?
Of course, you cannot binge throughout the day and just flush the whole day's efforts that you have done in the
Yeah.
6 week,
Whole
the
week's
6 days.
effort.
So
Moderation is something that you
one
have to
plan.
be taking
One
care
meal.
of.
We have a question.
Yeah.
Any food or drink that helps to reduce belly fat? I am Kanika is asking this question.
Yeah, hi Kanika. So the thing is, definitely now if it is belly fat or it is bloating or any kind of gut issues that you're facing, yeah, the belly could be out because of n number of reasons, like you have bloating, you have gas, you have flatulence. So we need to correct your gut health first and get to know about your bowel movements, all those, and then we can help you with anything that you exercise if you're not doing any kind of exercise. So
What do you suggest for bloating if someone is suffering from bloating very often?
a normal ajwain, jeera, and soft post your meals, all
Okay.
these spices, yeah.
Huh, you know.
So a lot of women in India and many parts of the world, they're very anemic. You know, we've even I think I'm anemic in some sorts. I'm not sure. So you know, what is very important for us ladies to make sure that we include in our diet and we have
Yeah.
to make sure that the
Yeah,
you know
so
the
what happens is when it comes to the iron, the absorption is also very important. So when it comes to iron absorption, vitamin C at the same time is important. So when you are having something like a green leafy vegetable, you combine it with some lemon or some kind of a vitamin C source so that the absorption of the iron is better. And definitely, when it comes to a non-vegetarian sources, you marinate it with lemon. You
Yeah.
make it like a combination of iron and vitamin C, which helps you absorb the iron better.
Wow,
Wow.
that's new information for us, and now we understand why people. I used to
Put
not like it, but
lemon, yeah.
people sprinkle lemon drops on everything. I
I
think.
used to like it. I used to like it.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and you know,
For
thank
sharing
you.
all this information with us.
Thank you to Reset. Thank you for
Thank you,
making
Reset.
sure that we're healthy at this moment and we're keeping fine and we're keeping fit so we can perform better. Do you want to
Yeah.
Say something, give any last words, any last message to our viewers?
Yeah, some people might have questions about the coffee thing, that is coffee good to go or no? Some myths, like let's take up some myths. So, coffee is definitely good to take, but when is it taken and how much quantity is it taken? And not definitely accompanying it with some milk, which is high fat, some whipped cream on it, and sugar in it. That makes it
Will
a
it take
bad and the bad name for the coffee. Also, avoid coffee 5 to 6 hours before going to bed, which hampers the sleep.
Okay.
Yeah. And also,
And
people think that over exercising will help them lose weight. Now, what happens when people over exercise? There's muscle breakdown and there's no time for repair. So, in those 24 hours, if you're exercising for 2 hours, You need to prepare to the next 22 hours to prepare your body to exercise and have an effective workout, is what we
Exactly.
mean. So
Yeah.
excessive muscle loss will definitely bring down the metabolism, which will make it much more difficult for the fat and the weight loss. Yeah, and I
Yeah.
want to I want to tell you girls to as a takeaway is the discipline in routine is more important. So if you
Exactly.
start any kind of a food plan or any kind of a exercise regime or any kind of a schedule that you follow, do it consistently. Routine, discipline is something which is very important. May it be on the personal front or may it be in the professional front. You will solve all the roadblocks and the journey would just be like a cakewalk.
Smooth.
So
Yeah,
thank you so much, Gina, for doing this live with us.
you're most
It's wonderful,
welcome.
very informative. I hope everybody who has joined us have got a lot of tips. There's a last question that somebody keep on asking. Is there any food for skin tightening? And it's asked by
It's the same person.
Dr. Kalyani Desai. I hope
You read.
Okay. Doc Dr. Kalyani, when it comes to skin tightening, if you've lost tremendous weight, there could be loosening of the skin because of that also. So collagen is something which is very important for skin tightening. Then to improve the quality of skin, vitamin C is equally important. Then vitamin A, E, all these are very important for skin.
right.
Yeah.
And this
So
last question: intermittent fasting
fasting
and
and
keto
keto
work in weight loss. I think this question has been asked a
us a
lot
lot
of
of
times.
times.
Yeah. So what happens is these are therapeutic kind of diet that had come in for keto diet is something which is for the neurological conditions. Now, these patients were given a particular kind of a diet which was high in fat, keto. So what happens is, as a side effect of the medicines that they were on, they had lost weight, and taken this as a people have taken this as a
Fad.
Yeah.
high fat will make you lose weight. Yeah, so that is not, these are very therapeutic and are done in the expertise when these are given to therapeutic or neurological conditions, used for the neurological conditions. Coming to the intermittent fasting, you have to listen to your body hunger cues. It's not
Yeah.
that somebody is doing a fasting for 12 hours or 14 hours or 16 hours. You're hungry and you're starving and you want to do an intermittent fasting. It doesn't work that way. Also, when it's your eating window, what you're eating is very important and not just the fasting period. Definitely, even if you have an early dinner of say for 7:30, you have an early dinner and you start your another day at 8. It's a good 12 hours.
Yes, yes.
And you're not starving yourself also.
That's
So yeah, then you can slowly, gradually move to 14 hours and so on.
Thank you
okay.
so
Thank
much.
you
Yeah,
so much, Gina. Thank you.
welcome.
I hope
Looking forward to meet you guys.
Same
same
here,
here,
Gina.
Gina.
Yeah.
Same here.
Uh,
Hope everything gets worked down and conditions become better.
Yeah, I hope that
yeah,
you
I'm
also
sure.
do and you're safe and so that we can meet you and you can help us even more.
Absolutely.
I hope everyone in your family is fine, and I'm sure that because they have you,
Exactly.
they don't have any issues with health because I'm sure you're keeping them healthy all the
And
time.
fit.
Yeah, and now we are very busy with the clients also,
Okay,
chatting throughout the day with them, working from home. It's fun. People have time for health as well. Uh,
that's very nice. That's very nice. So
So,
take care, Jinal, and thank you so
okay.
much for joining again. You have a nice day, and we'll
You're
see you
welcome,
soon.
Madeline. Yeah, yeah, definitely. Bye, Avriti. Take care.
bye. Take care. Take care.
Bye.
Bye to everyone that's watching. Thank you so much, and we'll see you again in another
Thank you
live.
for watching
Yeah,
us and
I hope
having
you
us.
guys. Yeah, I hope you guys have taken a lot from this live and you've understood that it's about eating right, not about eating less.
Correct.
So we'll see you soon and bye to everyone.
Bye. Namaste.